Have you ever built a beautiful woodworking project, only to watch it crack, warp, or develop loose joints a few months later? Most beginners blame the wood. Some blame the glue. But the real problem is often something they never measured in the first place. Moisture. A difference of just a few percentage points in wood moisture content can completely change how your finished project performs. That's why professional woodworkers rarely begin a project without checking one simple tool: a wood moisture meter. But with so many options available, which one should you actually buy? Today we're comparing 7 of the most popular wood moisture meter types to help you choose the right one for your workshop. We'll look at accuracy, ease of use, features, price, and who each meter is really designed for. Let's get started. Coming in at number 7. Basic budget pin moisture meters. These are usually the least expensive moisture meters you'll find online. They work by pushing 2 metal pins into the wood and measuring electrical resistance between them. Since water conducts electricity, the meter can estimate the wood's moisture content. They're inexpensive, simple to operate, and surprisingly useful for beginners. However, accuracy can vary between brands. Some cheaper models have limited wood species settings, smaller displays, and slower response times. They're perfectly fine for occasional DIY projects, but professionals often need something more reliable. At number 6. Entry-level pinless moisture meters. Instead of piercing the wood, these meters use electromagnetic sensors to measure moisture beneath the surface. That means no holes, no visible marks, and much faster scanning. This makes them ideal for finished lumber, hardwood flooring, or expensive woodworking materials where surface damage isn't acceptable. The downside? Pinless meters usually cost more than basic pin meters, and they can be influenced by material thickness or surface conditions. Still, their convenience makes them increasingly popular. At number 5. Mid-range pin moisture meters. These offer noticeable improvements over entry-level models. Better calibration, multiple wood species settings, higher accuracy, and stronger build quality. Many also include backlit displays, temperature compensation, and memory functions for recording measurements. For serious hobby woodworkers, this is often where value and performance meet. Next. Combination moisture meters. These units include both pin and pinless measuring modes in a single device. Why does that matter? Sometimes you want the speed of pinless scanning. Other times, you need the deeper accuracy that pin measurements provide. Having both options increases flexibility, especially if you work with many different wood species. The trade-off is usually price. Combination meters cost more, but they eliminate the need to buy 2 separate tools. At number 3. Professional pinless moisture meters. These are trusted by flooring installers, cabinet makers, and professional furniture builders. They offer faster scanning, improved consistency, larger measuring depth, and excellent repeatability. Premium models often include digital calibration, species correction, and advanced display features. If your projects involve expensive hardwoods, this level of accuracy becomes extremely valuable. Now we're down to the final 2. At number 2. Professional pin moisture meters. Even though pinless technology has become increasingly popular, many professionals still prefer high-quality pin meters for one simple reason: precision. Pin meters can often provide more reliable readings deep inside thicker lumber, especially when measuring freshly milled wood. Premium models feature insulated pins, replaceable probes, species correction, temperature adjustment, and extremely accurate measurements. For sawmills, custom furniture shops, and serious woodworking, they remain a trusted choice. And finally, our number 1 recommendation: advanced professional moisture meters with multi-species calibration. These combine outstanding accuracy, advanced calibration, large easy-to-read displays, memory storage, species correction, and consistent performance across many different wood types. Instead of simply giving one moisture reading, they allow you to adjust measurements based on the actual wood species being tested. That improves accuracy significantly, especially when working with hardwoods like walnut, oak, maple, or exotic imported lumber. While these premium models cost considerably more, they can easily save hundreds or even thousands of dollars by preventing project failure. So, which moisture meter should you buy? If you're just beginning woodworking, a quality budget pin moisture meter is more than enough. If you're working with finished lumber, a pinless meter offers speed and convenience. And if woodworking is becoming a serious hobby or business, investing in a professional moisture meter is one of the smartest upgrades you can make. Remember, wood continues to move long after the tree has been cut. Checking moisture before building isn't just a professional habit. It's one of the simplest ways to prevent cracked panels, warped tabletops, shrinking joints, and expensive mistakes. Now I'd like to hear from you. Do you currently use a wood moisture meter, or do you still rely on guesswork? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to subscribe for more woodworking buying guides, tool comparisons, workshop upgrades, and practical tips to help you build smarter and avoid costly mistakes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.